chapter 3, part 34. A certain well-known disciple related that, on one occasion, Jalal and his friends went forth to the country seat of Husam, and there held a grand festival of holy music and dancing until near daybreak. Jalal then left off to give his followers a little rest. They dispersed about the grounds, and the narrator took a seat in a spot from whence he could see and observe Jalal. The others all fell asleep, but he occupied himself with reflections on the miracles performed by various of the prophets and of the saints. He thought to himself, I wonder whether this holy man works miracles. Of course he does, only he keeps the fact quiet to avoid the inconveniences of notoriety. Hardly had the thought crossed his mind when Jalal called him by name. On his approaching Jalal, the latter stooped, picked up a pebble from the earth, placed it on the back of his own hand, and said to him, Here, take this. It is thy portion, and be thou one of the thankful. Quoting Quran 7:141. The disciple examined the pebble by the light of the moon and saw that it was a large ruby, exceedingly clear and brilliant, not to be found in the treasuries of the kings. Utterly astounded, he shrieked out and swooned away, awaking the whole company with a shout, for he was a very loud-voiced man. On recovery, he told others what had occurred. He also expressed to Jalal his contrition for the temerity of his reflections. Jalal told him to carry the stone to the queen and to mention how he'd become possessed of it. The queen accepted it, had it valued, and gave to him 180,000 pieces of silver in return, besides rich gifts. She also distributed presents to all the members of the fraternity. And let's just say, well, that sort of stuff does happen, but no, let's just say the ruby is a symbol of the heart, the emotions, whatever you represent by the heart, right? And if you're not appreciative, you can miss out on things. Whether it's a very valuable stone that you just don't know at the time, and if you're appreciative of it, you find out. And that's happened with various stones, even diamonds, because until a diamond's cut, you really tend not to know what a diamond looks like. But if you ever come upon wealth, don't make a point of announcing it either.